Hello kitchen queens and kings, welcome to my channel Gina in the kitchen. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's quickly move on to today's recipe. Today we are making Janmashtami special coconut dry fruits barfi or panjiri. It's super delicious in taste, and today I'm gonna share very easy and simple recipe of this. So let's quickly start making it. First of all, we need to fry dry fruits. So I have kept a pan on gas, and in this I am adding 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee. And here I have taken 2 cups of makhanas or foxnuts, which I already chopped in small pieces. I am adding them in pan and will fry them on medium flame. It might take 3 to 4 minutes for these foxnuts to get fried and turn crispy. We don't want them to change their color, we just want them to turn crispy. Our foxnuts are done frying. Let's take them out on a plate. Now on the same pan I am adding 1 more tablespoon of ghee with 1/4 cup of chopped almonds. These are 20 to 25 in number. Now we'll fry the almonds on medium flame. After frying almonds for 1 to 2 minutes, I am adding 2 tablespoons of chironji in it. We'll mix it with almonds and let them fry for 2 more minutes. Almonds and chironji have slightly changed their color. They are crispy now, so let's take them out on a plate. Now without taking any more ghee, I am adding 20 to 25 number of cashew nuts or 1/4 cup of cashew nuts in the pan. We'll fry them for 1 to 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, I am adding 2 tablespoons of melon seeds and we'll give them 2 more minutes to turn crispy. Cashews and melon seeds are also done frying. Let's take them out on a plate. Now I am again adding 1 tablespoon of ghee, and here I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut. We'll fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Our coconut is also ready. It has become slightly crunchy in texture. Now we'll take 250 gram of mawa or khoya. We're gonna cook it on medium flame till it slightly changes in color. As you can see, slowly its consistency and color is changing. I'm feeling a roasted aroma coming out of it, so let's take it out on a plate. We are done with our khoya and dry fruits. Now we're gonna make sugar syrup. For that I have taken 500 gram of sugar. We'll add 3/4 cup of water into it. Let's mix it and give it a good boil on high flame. As you can see, it has started boiling. We'll keep stirring it and let it cook for 1 more minute on high flame. After 1 minute, we'll simmer the flame and cook it for another 10 minutes. Until our sugar syrup is getting ready, let's prepare our thali or plate by placing butter paper on it. In case if you don't have butter paper, you can make it at home in just 2 minutes. Link is given in description box. Now on this butter paper thali, we'll place some raisins. We don't need to cook them or fry them. And now I'm putting part of my fried dry fruits on this plate. Rest of the dry fruit I'm gonna add in sugar syrup. After 10 minutes on low flame, our sugar syrup is ready. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder in it, which is optional. And to check if the sugar syrup is ready or not, we'll take few drops of it in a ball. Let it cool down a little bit and stick it between fingers. You can see 1 or 2 strings clearly. That means our sugar syrup is ready. Flame is sim, and we are adding khoya or mawa in chashni and rest of the dry fruits as well. Let's mix them properly. After mixing all the things properly, we'll quickly pour this material into the thali or plate. And after pouring all the things on this thali, we'll keep it aside for 1 to 2 hours. It will get set by itself. We don't need to keep it in fridge. And after 2 hours, our special coconut dry fruits panjiri or barfi is ready to cut into pieces. It's looking really delicious and beautiful in this thali as well. You can cut it in any shape you want. I'm cutting it in square shape today. And here you go, our Janmashtami special dessert is ready to serve, ready to eat. And trust me, it's tastier than it looks. So you need to try it at your home really soon. And don't forget to share your experience with me. How did you find this recipe? And for more such easy, tasty, quick recipes, follow my channel, subscribe my channel Cheena in the Kitchen English, and click on the bell icon too, so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video or a new recipe. So bye bye for now. We'll catch up again really soon with a new video.